How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can export Anycubic slicer setting. So if you have modified something like your filament setting, printer setting, or something similar, this video is right for you. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the Anycubic slicer. It doesn't really matter whether you are inside a project or on the homepage right here. Now, the most important thing is to just click on the file option. It's going to be at the top corner of your screen, and then you have the export button. Now from here, you have different options like objects, generic 3MF, plate sliced file, but you just want to navigate through the export configs. In here, you have multiple options. So if you want to export your printer presets or your printer settings, filament settings, process settings, and more, you can then select them individually right here. But if you want to do something like the printer config bundle, which will basically export printer and all of the filament and process presets that belongs to that specific printer and can be shared with others, you then want to click on the OK button. So let's just click on OK, and then you will be able to simply export it right here. But of course, you need to select one printer or filament before you do this, and basically from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.